Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Yada yada yada, you guys know the drill already. Click subscribe. Yes, let's just move on. So anyway, this year there have been so many great TV shows, movies and series, and some of them have been really interesting, but so far my favorite is Queen Charlotte. Now if you haven't seen it, I don't know what to tell you, but it is binge worthy, it is swoon worthy, it has all the elements in there. Just go and watch it and then you'll understand why some of us love it so much. But anyway, when the series came out, the cast were out and about doing their press tours, and then I saw a few videos on Instagram, and one thing that really stuck with me were the hairstyles. Now I don't know if you guys saved any of them, but then there were a couple of hairstyles that I was like, ooh, that is good. This is something that I can recreate. And so today's video is all about recreating 3 of my favorite looks from their press tours. My hair is due for wash day in a couple of days, and so today is like the perfect time to just play around with it and then see if I can recreate some of them. This is my first attempt, so if it doesn't go too well, you guys, we'll just try again another time. So let's just get into it. Let me show you guys my very first style. I like to call this style the 2 ponies. So we're going to start by parting our hair from one side to the other, making sure that the part is as clean as possible. And then we're going to put the lower section into a pony. So moving on to the next section, we're going to put that into a pony as well. And this is where you go ahead and lay your edges if you want, but I always prefer to keep my edges just clean. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that I'm not really into laying it. So once you're done laying your edges, just go ahead and put the section into a pony as well. So next I'm going to divide the section into 3 equal parts, and then I'm going to twist each section. So once you're done, you're going to have 3 juicy bouncy twists in front, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the back pony as well. So to be honest, at this point, I was thinking that this is also a really cute style. I might try this as a look on its own in another video, another time. But anyway, let's continue with the styling. So next, I'm going to position, more like mold my braids to get a very nice round look. So this is me just arranging the hairs and figuring out where I'm going to pin. So once I'm fine with the shape, I just go ahead and then pin. So once again, we're going to do the same thing to the back braids as well. Just arrange it so that it comes out as a round bun. And then using a hairpin, just go ahead and pin it wherever you want. And that's the finished look. I never style my hair like this. It's just not really my thing, but I think it's a mistake because ooh, I love this look. I'm going to pair it with this orange earring. They look like tassels. I think it's the perfect earrings for the look. I love it. It's different. It's very not me at all. This is not something that I've ever done before. And yeah, sometimes trying new things is always a good idea, because I actually like this look. It's very different, very simple and still minimalist. And it's like I'm not really doing too much to the hair, so I wouldn't have a lot of tangles in there. I'm going to start investing in some of these hairstyles. So what do you guys think? This is look 1. Sorrows, prayers. That's like my favorite line in the whole series. So this second look I like to call the bubbles. I think that it's a cute and fun style to wear. So we're going to begin by sectioning a small portion of hair at the front, and then we're going to twist that and clip it and come back to that in a little while. Next, I'm going to put the rest of my hair into a pony, making sure that it's tight enough. And then I'm going to go ahead and build the bubbles. Now, one thing that I don't show in the video is that I actually applied oil to the rubber bands before using them in my hair. It makes it easy to grip, and then once you're ready to take them out, it's also very easy. I'm going to divide this into 2, and then I'm going to go ahead and braid the hair down to the corner of my eyes, and then I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. Then for the rest of the hair, I'm going to go ahead and create more bubbles. So once I'm done with one section, I'll just go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other section. And basically that is it for this hairstyle. It's really simple, really fun, and such a great look to create. So for my final look, I couldn't quite figure the style out in the beginning, but I think I kind of recreated it in my own way. So I'm going to start off by sectioning a small part of hair at the front, and then I'm going to twist it. Now after twisting, I'm going to secure it with a hairpin and then put the rest of my hair into a pony. So next I'm going to twist the pony, and then it's going to be a very loose twist. That way I can have a bit of volume on the braid. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to use this gold ornament that's like a spring. I'm going to stretch it out and then wrap it around my braids. And then at this point, you can use any gold ornament that you have. And yeah, this is the part that I think I made a mistake. When I was pinning the hair is actually supposed to go, the braid is supposed to go to my right, but I ended up pinning it to my left. So if you guys are recreating the look, you can do it either ways, I guess. You can either go left or right, and then it should have the same effect anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and pin the hair on my left, and then that is it for this look, really. So this is the third look. It took me a couple of tries, but I think I finally figured it out. It doesn't look exactly the same, I guess, but this is like my own spin on it. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. For me, I'd say it is the first look. It looks queenly. The second one is something that you might wear to maybe a festival, and then this is like everyday lunch or dinner look, something like that. So anyway, let me know in the comment section which one you guys prefer. So this is it for today's video. If you haven't watched Queen Charlotte's, please go and watch it. It is so worth it. And I will see you all in another video very soon. Bye.